Hello Bladers. Imagine this scenario. You just had your car wash. After a long and tiring day, you want to relax with your friends. Drinking session is in order. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. In this video, we will explain how to clean an unexpected vomit in your car. Let's face it, a night out with your friends almost always means having a nasty hangover the next day. And those who have to be the designated driver are left with having to clean the car. So, for those days when a friend vomits in your car, here is a list of things that can help. Number 1, vinegar or vodka. Now don't be surprised, but vinegar or vodka can help clean the vomit and get rid of the smell. Since it's acid after all. Take a towel dipped in vinegar or vodka to clean the seat covers. Afterwards, leave a bowl of the same compound inside the car to dilute the smell. Number 2, ground coffee. Ever had the experience of testing out perfumes at the mall and finding yourself unable to distinguish one from the other? Then, a trusty sales attendant offers you ground coffee? Well, it's somewhat the same for vomits. Leave an open cup of ground coffee inside your car to fix the smell. Number 3, baking soda. More than a baking ingredient, people use baking soda for cleaning. In this situation, sprinkle it everywhere and leave it there for a few days, then vacuum it afterwards. Number 4, remove bad odor. After all the efforts of trying to remove the bad and awful smell, you wouldn't want that odor to stick. Make sure to freshen up your car with long-lasting fragrances by Blade's air freshener products with its non-spill formula and all organic material. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of your cleaning routine? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.